What a better way to end the week than by learning handcrafts in a relaxing, intimate environment. AUC students gathered on Wednesday night around the waterfalls by the gardens to learn the process of making gypsum and concrete handcrafts. The first step, select the material. If you want a more colorful result that dries up fast, go for gypsum. If, on the other hand, you'd like your object to be a little bit more sturdy and resilient, go for concrete. The process continues by mixing the power base of the selected material with water. Add some pigment to give it a bit of color, and the mixture is ready to be poured into the mold. Wait for a few minutes if it's gypsum, or overnight if it's concrete, until it's dry enough to take off the mold, and then sand it to even out all the parts. The final step is to add a layer of sealant, wax or spray depending on the product, to make it more durable and waterproof if used in bathrooms or ashtrays. The workshop was organized by the Student Union's Empower project, which aims at generating spaces for students from all different kinds of backgrounds and passions to find out about careers that might interest them. SU Empower offers workshops each semester and organizes talks with experts on different fields to bring a wide spectrum of options for the students on campus.
We look up and do a research about things that are trendy nowadays for everyone all around campus. We do stuff that's for different interests. So for example, we get something, we do a research about it, we see who can be the instructor for this workshop or who can be the interviewee for the talk or stuff. And then we post about it on our social media accounts, on the SU social media account. And then we open sign-ups for participants, and then we reach a certain capacity.
For this handcrafts workshop, the SU invited Lin Raja, an architecture graduate who is now an interior designer. Throughout her research and projects, Lin fell in love with concrete.
When I was in university, we experimented with the material a bit in one of my structure courses, and I just fell in love with the process. And after I graduated, I wanted to experiment with it even more with furniture, possibly tables, shelving units, but the scale was a bit too large to experiment with at the beginning. So I started researching and looking for smaller scale projects such as making trays, coasters, smaller items to be able to mold the concrete into. And then after I started making a few products, I thought, why not share my love with everyone else and kind of build it into a business and make other people happy with the products as well.
Lin now sells her handcrafts through an Instagram page called Concrete Crust, where she promotes her products and markets her startup. SU Empower is planning more workshops with young entrepreneurs like Lin and conferences with experts for this semester, including an upcoming fashion campaign right before Ramadan that will hold seminars on modeling, clothes design, makeup, and styling. Javier Jennings Mozo, Cairo, AUCTV.